Okay, so it's built. I wasn't expecting it to come straight on when I switched it on at the wall, but I've just looked around and I can't find an on-off switch, so I'm assuming you press the power on, it just comes on. Beforehand, I have checked the heights of my Z-axis. I've set this fella here to as high as it can be, and I'm just about to go and into the menu and quick settings and home all. And nothing's happening. Oh yeah, because it's a cross, not there. Oh, and that should now. It's hit the limit switch and it's done that. Next, we're back into quick settings and then disable stepper. There we go. Stepper is disabled. That plate's quite warm. It's very warm. Got to check the distance between the nozzle. I can't even see it. Let's get this on. It looks like it's 30 millimeters on this. So I now need to lower that nozzle 28 millimeters, so it's 2 millimeters away from the bed, by adjusting this fella here and bringing it down. It's currently at 50 mil. This needs lowering 28 mil basically. So it's on 14 centimeters. I need to bring it down to 11.8. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. Not exactly the way they do it in the book, but that's roughly 1.5 centimeters, because the last thing I want to do is crash this thing into the bed. I'm going to go back and set this back to home all again. Quick settings. Yeah. And I'll remeasure where I'm at now. Disable stepper, which should allow me to move the hotbed. Knowing it's hot, I'll move it by this. And then bring this across. And 13 mil, so I need to drop about 1 centimeter. Drop that a touch. Back to the old menu. Quick settings. Home all. Bit low, but we'll find out. Disable stepper. Put this forward. That collide. I'll tell you what. The next step is testing it with a sheet of paper. Let's see how that goes. So. We've got, I don't know if you can see, the clearance next is going to be tested with a sheet of paper. So if I set this, definitely fits there. Let's try this corner, that looks alright. That corner, take it over to the other way. So we've got about 2mm clearance there. That's the whole bed. Now the mission is to get that down to 0.2, which is the width of a piece of paper, and we're going to adjust these screws to do that. So I'll do that. Right, this isn't in the settings, this part, or in the instructions, but I'm about to work on the bed and it's rather hot. So I saw cool down here. I'm just going to click on cool down. Quite happy that there's only a gap of a piece of paper all the way through. So now our quick setting, home all, oh, don't go back to it, home all. Reinstall any bits you've taken off. There we go. SD card installed on the main board. This goes in here. He even clicks in, and then he says press reset on the main board. There's reset. This will need tidying up later. And I press that. This said Omni printer ready, and off it went. Now, got some PLA free with the printer. Hopefully it won't tangle too much when I stick it on the spool, but I'm going to set this up and do the next. Right, so quick settings, and preheat PLA. Back on the menu, it's now saying preheat PLA down there. It reaches 190. Install the filament. Now I'm told to straighten this up, and also this setup here may tangle, but I'm going to be stood with it. Normally we'd have it on a big wheel. So press that down, shove that in until filament comes out of the nozzle. Looks easier on the clip. Maybe it's not straight enough. There we go. In we go. There we are. Filament is coming out of the nozzle.